1, 2, 3, microphone check. 1, 2, 3, microphone check. Okay, it works. Let me get some fresh coffee. Nice. Hello guys and welcome to my channel QANSIGLIERE. Last several videos I tried to implement a JavaScript library to make any API code to TESTRAIL API. And today I think it will be the last and complete step in this implementation. No, need more coffee. Okay. Much better. Hello guys and welcome to my channel QANSIGLIERE. As you know, last several videos I tried to implement a JavaScript library to make API calls to TESTRAIL API. And today I think it will be the last one video where we will finish all issues related to attachment API endpoints. But at the beginning of this conversation, let me remind you guys that you have a great opportunity to ask me any questions directly. To do it, you just need to open my YouTube channel, click here to get access to all available links, and click on the first link. It will open a new window with Google Form where you can write your questions and send them to me. From my side, I'm going to review all your questions and try to answer them in the next videos. So what we are going to do? As you know, we worked on this one library, QANSIGLIERE TESTRAIL API integration. And we covered almost all API endpoints, but during this process we faced some issues. All issues are submitted in my own Jira, very nice tool to manage any development process. And here you can see several issues related to attachments. So today we are going to fix them, and I want to suggest you to start working on this one ticket. Let's copy its name, and today we will fix issues related to attachments in TESTRAIL. So let's find TESTRAIL API endpoints. Okay, API manual. All right, and let me open some additional web pages. Confluence. Okay, let me find my project. Okay, project pages, and let's create a new one page. Okay, create a new page. Issue number 1. So let's launch GitHub desktop application. Let's refresh our main branch, create a new branch, paste, refresh. Let's open Visual Studio Code. Alright, let's change package version. Today it will be, I would say it will be 1.0.0. I know it's very ambitious, but it should work. Okay, here we should use names like suite, test, case, run, user. It should be enough. Okay, here we can add the link to the current stream. Let me open my YouTube channel. let's add it here. Let's remove this one part and let's remove this one parameter. Save. Alright, so what we are going to do, we want to solve the issue related to add attachment to the case. So let's open documentation about attachments. Here you can see what we should use: multi-part form data. And here is our request. It should be the link related to any test case. So let's open our test project. Let's find any available test case where. Alright, let's use this one. Let's close this one. Alright, and let's open our project. Do we see any link for the image? No. Let's edit. Let's ignore any image. PNG. Saved. Done. Let's make available our environment for TESTRAIL. Done. Okay. What is next? Let's try to use our method. If we open this one issue, we can see what it's related to add attachment and pass to the file. So let's open index. Let's go async demo. Let's check our history. I forget name function, but we can copy this one part. Okay, let's make note, remove this part, right? Okay, and we want to test this one method. Add attachment to the case. So let's provide case ID. Case ID will be 11, right? And we need to provide the path to the file. So let me find any image on my laptop. All right. Okay, let's copy this one and paste. We'll reuse this one image. Let's change its name to logo.png. Save. And let's check our method. Let's write node index.js. Okay, we have an error. We have an error. Okay, so now we need to debug somehow what is wrong, right? We need to understand, maybe we sent wrong information or we did something wrong in post file function. So for this purpose, let's make some change. In case if you need to debug and investigate any API behavior, it's better to use such resource. It's called https http bin.org. This nice website allows you to check what exactly you sent, what parameters are present in your request, and so on. And for attachment method, we use function with post request, right? So what we need to do to investigate our post request, let's copy this link from post method. Let's copy this one URL, copy, and let's paste it, save, and let's check our function. Let's change format to true. We can see what information we sent in post request. Let's open this on parser. Here you can see what our post request sent several keys. First key is value, it's empty. Second value is data, it's empty too. Third one, files, is empty, but it's wrong. Form, it's empty. And here you can see information about headers for post request. Now we see information about JSON body, about our IP address, and what was URL. So now we have clear understanding what is wrong. Wrong, the post request itself. How we will fix it? In this case, we need to reuse additional library. Let's create a new file. API utils axios utils.js. And what we are going to do, let's install npm axios library. This is JavaScript library to make API requests. And second one, it will be npm install form data. Let's install it too. And in this file, let's do the following stuff. First one, it's const axios equal to axios require axios var form data require form data, and now we need to implement post file function. Let's copy it. All right. Also, let's import var fs require fs library to work with files in operating system, and we can remove this one function. Okay, done. What is the next step? What is the next step? Here we will do axios, and here we should provide information about post file function. Saved. Axios utils. Okay, let's save it. This one is never used. Const. All right. Now we should do the next stuff. Now we should use new form data environment. So for this purpose we do the following stuff. First of all, let's make data its new form data, and data is read stream to read information from the file. Right, here we should provide data for data, and here we should use Axios, but in case of Axios we should use Axios.data. No, let's use response itself, right? And let's make console log response.status, and JSON data JSON. Let me check Axios library. Okay. Data status text. All right. What also should be changed here? Here we should use another header. So open our API integration file, and let's change headers form data, and this one should be removed because we will generate this information automatically. And what we can do here in Axios utils, we can do here the following stuff: object dot assign headers and data get headers function. In this case we will reuse headers object, and we will add some additional data based on the file what we provided here. Okay, mode could be removed, method post, data, probably that's it. Let's check our request one more time. stringify. Okay, converging circular. Alright, let's use clear response method. Okay, what we could do here, JSON stringify. Save. Index, let's use response. Let's check. Now we have more information right now, and to get this information from our debug URL endpoint, let's do the following stuff here. Let's print response data. Okay, much better. And now we have really more information than at the beginning. So let's use JSON parser method. Let's remove status code, and what we have now, we can see what we send data in the right way. We provide attached image into files body. Here we have the same stuff. Let's remove it. Okay. So we receive 200 status code. Status text is okay. It means everything is fine. Now we can see what time of request, content type of response, configuration, content type multiple form data, and attached image is placed in files. Right. All right. So now we can see changes in API utils. Let's discard these changes and save. Save and okay, we can see what in the initial request information about the object was placed in the form. Okay. Right, so what we can do, we remove this one method. Right, we remove file system library. Done. And we provide the link for post file here. Save it here. And okay, what we should return? We return if response status is $200. Okay. If it's equal to 200, we return response data. In other case, we return response itself. Let's place it and let's check. Okay, now it returns correct information. And what is the next step? We should provide the right path. Save. And now we can make a post request. Let's run. Okay, no attachment. It's interesting. Let's investigate it. What was wrong here? Here is headers of request. No attachment or file provided. Okay, let's call. This one can be removed. Path to file. And key to file is file key is attachment, right? And let's make it here file key. Let's reuse our method. Done. Let's check our test case, and we can see what our image was successfully assigned to the case. So technically we solved the issue with case, right? So what we could do here, Let's play a little bit with an error message. Nope. Okay, let's check object keys from response. Okay, so we need to create the wrapper for Axios methods. Mm-hmm. Let's change it. Save. Let's remove and let's do it. Response. Okay, so in this case we can remove this one part, we can unlock this one part, and we can provide this path. Okay, null attachment. Let's save changes. Done. Let's double check our test case. We can see the second attachment was added, so looks like we fixed the issue. Now we have to do some stuff. Git ignore was updated. And let's check our files. Git ignore, right? This one should be removed. Okay, let's copy, save. Let's check readme file. All right, get attachment. All right. Done. If this one parameter could be removed. So okay, this file was updated, this file was updated, this file was updated, this one is updated, and this one is updated. Okay, 38, past, refresh, main, discard changes. Okay, let's open our project, create and merge pull request. Commit. Let's refresh this one, pull, npm publish. All right, let me enter the code. Okay, the new version should be published now. Right, it's done. What is the next step? We can close this one ticket. Right, done. What is next? Add attachment to plan entry to results to run. Let's use this one and let's check it. Let me paste this one part. Let me add the image. Logo. And let's check the function. Okay, add attachment to run. One. Let's find any run. Run ID is 5. Okay. Let's put 5. Save. Wrong button. It works. Great. Now next one function is to add attachment to the plan. Let's check it. Let's copy it and let's find any plan. ID is 60. Save, check. Done. Alright. Alright, this one can be closed too. Add attachment to the plan entry. Let's check this one. Copy. Paste. And let's copy this UUID. Okay. 16th. Forget to add the ID of the test plan. Entry ID is not a valid test plan entry. Okay, get plan, and let's copy this one. All right. Save, paste, done. Let's check it. So this one function was fixed too. Add attachment to results. Let's try. Add attachments to result. Okay, let's open it. View, paste. $46. Let's do it. Let's run. Field result ID is not a valid test run or comment. Add attachment to result. Okay. Okay, let's get result. Test case ID is 46. So get results for case 46. $28. Save. Okay. $28. Nope. $46. Okay. Results. result. Nine. Let's check it. Alright, this one is implemented too. So we can close this one, and this one. Done. And next one. What is it? At BDD. Save, let's check. So let's create a ticket branch for it. New branch, create, bring, publish. Okay, package version is 101. What should be done? Let's investigate. Okay. Okay. Let's check this one method at BDD. So let's remove it. Right, and let's use post file method. Okay, save, and let's use this one. Let's check documentation for at BDD. BDD. And BDD case ID, but to add we should know section ID. Okay. Go to suites, go to test suite, and then section ID is 14th. Alright, and we should provide the path to the file test.txt. Save. A new file test.txt. let's close these two pages and let's copy their example. Save. And it works. If we refresh the page, where I can see BDD, alright, I have no idea, but we solved it. This approach works well. Nice, really nice. So we can remove this one part. This one is updated. BDD KID and text test txt save. Okay. Alright, probably we fixed both issues by one method. Okay, let's discard changes. Done, discard. Okay, 33, publish. Main. Confirm code. V101, new tech 101, edit methods to fix the issue with methods to add any attachment or BDD. Alright, done. npm publish. Now we can check it. Let's check. Okay, the newest version is published, and it means what we fixed all issues what we had in this project. It was amazing time. What we could do? We have opportunity to add additional filters. Let's open TESTRAIL API. And we can rewrite our methods to Axios and forget about fetch. Let's do it. Okay, let's check our time. All right. So let's open our board backlog. And let's open this one ticket. Replace fetch methods by Axios. And let's attach it to the current sprint too. Okay, right now we have two functions, two stories for implementation. Let's do it. So which one will take in the work? Let's make this one. It looks like great improvement. Okay, let's create a new branch. Publish it. Done. Let's open Visual Studio Code. Save. And what we will do, we will rewrite our methods in Axios. Okay. How we are going to test them? Let's copy this one. Done. And let's work with the method to get any information about project or projects at least. Okay, what we have, projects, Okay, get project. What projects we have? TESTRAIL. Number 4. Okay, get project number 4. Save. So let's rewrite methods. And let's copy this one, save, paste it here. And let's paste it here. Done. Now let's make changes here. Right. So what we could do here, we do get requests. Return response data. Let's check it. Wrong button. Let's do the same stuff here. Nope, I can return an array. what else we can upload? Let's check get projects. Probably we should not provide any parameter here. Okay, done. Okay, let's check. Get attachment. Let's check it. Readme. Get attachment. Let's copy it and paste. Save. All right. It also works well. So get method is rewritten. What is next? Post method or download method. Let's rewrite post. Save. Copy. Paste. Post method. Okay, what we can post? Let's post project. And run. Add project. Let's copy it. Okay. Mode can be removed. Body. Let's reuse sketch mechanism. Save. Copy and paste. Save. Data. Okay, let's try. What is wrong? Okay, projects. ID is 10. This one. Okay, so this one can be removed, and let's remove project. Delete project. 10. Save. Done. So let's open API integration and let's remove all false values. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 9, 10, 11. Okay, lot of improvements. Okay, this one is improved too. Improved. Done. Okay. Let's try to add another thing. Okay, let's create a new test run. Let's find any project. Let's use this one. ID is 8. Project ID done, and let's define suite ID. Suite ID is 10. Okay, done. Node created and remove, delete, run. ID is 23. Save. Done. Okay, this one method was solved. We have last one method. For improvement, it's download. Okay. Let's copy this one. Get post. Okay, and let's copy this one. Done. So this one can be removed. And let's make it better. So first change, it's get. Okay, headers. Debug is false. If debug is true, we should return response. Else we return this one. Get project, save, done. Okay, now let's rewrite download function where we use download. Let's check it. Get runs. Okay, get runs, project ID. Okay, but if we will use, for instance, an existing, nope. Okay, method fails. What we are going to do? Initial call headers, debug is true. Right, and what we do, we will print console log initial call status. What we'll get? 400. Okay. Okay, we send get request. It means what it means. If initial call status is less than 400, we do let final results. Else what else? If it's an error, we do final results is equal to response data, right? And I move it to this one block. Let's check it. Project ID is not valid. Whee! But if we provide correct ID, okay, let's change our strategy. No, let's save it. Initial call and yep, let's change it. If the bug is true, we return response status and this one parameter. Okay, so let final results be an empty array. Now what we'll do, initial call, if initial call 0 is less than 400, we do what we do. We do this one operation, initial call 1, right? But else we do final result is equal to initial call 1. Save. Let's do another stuff. Let's do console look. it. Alright. What I want to debug, I want to check method get tests, and what should we provide? Run ID. Run ID is 4. Save. Okay, get tests. And limit is 1. Save. Get tests. Okay, get tests. Limit is 1. Get projects. Issue free. Okay, so method is fixed. This one can be removed. We can test it. Note. Okay, and we can remove limit. Save. Done. So we recreated our methods to make get, post file and download operations. So we can commit these changes. Index discard, integrations get all right. Okay, let's open GitHub, compare. Okay, let's create a new release. Version 1.1.0. Improved logic of get, download, post and post file methods. Publish, refresh. PM publish. One moment. Nine 64784. Wrong one. Okay. Let's refresh it. Okay, and we can move to another one ticket and last one for today. Support filtering options. Okay. Okay, let's implement it. Done. All right, let's refresh. And let's improve. So first of all, attachments. Can we use additional filters? I do not think so. But we can do it for cases. So Get attachment for case. Okay, let's do it. Okay. Remove me. Okay, what is the method? Get attachment for case. Get attachment for case. Wait, copy. Save and let's execute it. Node. Okay, nothing. Okay, it is case 11. Save. Okay, we can see 2, but if we convert it to and limit is 1. Get attachment for case download. Console log. Technically, we can work already with double weight. 1, 2. Okay. Project suite. Okay. Probably no changes should be done here, because if we can place any parameter, we can place additional filters. Okay, get cases. Let's check it. Get cases. suite ID is required field. And priority is 4. Okay. Case fields. Case types. Suites. So technically we do not need to do with it. Get tests. Get tests. Okay, let's place it here. Save. And let's copy this one. Get tests from run ID. Run ID is 5. Right, and statuses is save. Let's execute. Empty. Save. All right, so what should we do here? No changes here. No changes here. All right. Publish. Main. All right, and create new release. Version 1.1.1. Now we can support different filters in some requests. Readme file is updated. 1.1.1, create new tag, publish, done, and pm publish. So looks like it is the last one ticket here. Done. Let's check our backlog. A lot of tickets, and all of them are implemented. So guys, congratulations, we completed this one huge epic. And we can close it. Nice. Also, we published our library. New version is available right now on the NPM website. Now we have two dependencies to Axios and form data libraries, but that's all. This one huge story is finished. We can close all this stuff. And if you think that's it for our next videos, you are not right, because right now we have a lot of fun. As you remember, guys, in the past I worked on the library for POS emulation, and right now you can see on our backlog for this one library. A lot of stories are already prepared, and we can start work on them. But before it, let me finish the sprint for this one current project. We can complete it, and that's all for the project itself, right? Board, backlog. This one sprint can be deleted. This one sprint can be deleted. And now we can focus on our card library. Here we have a lot of stuff, and we will work on it in the next time. Thank you guys for your time. Feel free to subscribe to the channel, put your comments, put like to this video.